Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Want to know how to get 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube fast? Well, you're in the right place because today, I'm going to share some valuable tips and strategies to help you reach that milestone in no time. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's first understand why watch time is crucial on YouTube. Watch time is a key metric that impacts your channel's growth and success. The more watch time your videos accumulate, the more YouTube will promote your content to a wider audience, ultimately leading to more views and subscribers. Presentation of problem/challenge now. Let's address the elephant in the room, the daunting task of reaching 4,000 hours of watch time. Many creators struggle to meet this requirement for monetization, feeling discouraged and overwhelmed by the uphill battle ahead. But fear not, as I'm here to guide you through the process and help you overcome this challenge. Exploration/development. To conquer the 4,000-hour watch time goal, you need to implement effective strategies. Firstly, focus on creating engaging content that captivates your audience and keeps them watching until the end. Additionally, optimize your videos for search by using relevant keywords and eye-catching thumbnails. Don't forget to promote your videos on social media platforms to attract more viewers and boost watch time. Climax/key moment. Now, here comes the game changer, a proven tactic that can significantly boost your watch time in a short period. One powerful strategy is to create series or playlists on your channel. By linking related videos together, you can encourage viewers to binge watch your content, leading to longer watch sessions and increased watch time. Conclusion/summary. In conclusion, achieving 4,000 hours of watch time on YouTube requires dedication, strategy, and patience. Remember to consistently create high-quality content, optimize for search, promote your videos, and engage with your audience. By following these key strategies, you'll be well on your way to reaching your watch time goals. Call to action, CTA. Now it's your turn. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more valuable insights on growing your YouTube presence. I'd love to hear from you, so share your own watch time strategies in the comments below. Together, we can support each other on this journey to YouTube success. Thanks for watching.